each and every tools, right? So that is the one more reason. So here, what in Excel we are doing is that we'll be getting all the things under one place. So that was the thing. So let me share my screen and I'll tell you how the integration used to happen actually. So around 80 to 85% of things is inbuilt from the house. It's like an D2C, specifically like a direct to customer, like a person who are a coach, mentor, trainer, who are selling their digital services. Like their, I'll tell you things. What are things you people can able to do it right now? Like, is my screen visible? So I'll tell you things. So I'll show you few websites so you'll get a proper idea how the flow will be there. So currently we are working with around 6,000 plus active creators, and then in 13 to 15 types of categories you can take like fitness, nutrition, astrology, wellness, coaching, finance, personal development, consultation. Not it right now. Like e-commerce, not specifically on e-commerce. Our major focus is that. Yeah, the voice is breaking. Can you little bit louder, please? Yeah. So I'll show you the things like but we it can be possible to do on e-commerce as well, but majorly our focus is only on the fitness people, like fitness. You can take personal development, you can take for skill instruction, like anything in education field. So that those are the people are major targets actually. So let me show you the things like how I show you the two three differences in websites. Front end is completely manageable, like completely your choice, like however you need you can able to do it out. Not like a CMS, I can tell. Like, it's like an all the tools, like multiple tools, has been combined in one place. I'll show you in a backend as well how it will be there. So, for example, if you don't have a website, we used to create a website like this. So, this is the flows you can able to take it out. One more website template we had. Background, colors, pictures, everything is custom. We will create you a website like this, and we'll provide you a platform as well. Both will be given. Yeah, it's a both. They are managing the both front end and back end as well. Sure. At the end of the calls, I'll share you the everything properly through email as well. You can have a proper glimpse. So can take the, for example, I'm telling. So this is the website. This is a drag and drop template we had in with our backend tool, so that you can able to create a website like this with simple within 10-15 minutes itself. You can able to create a website like this. Suppose if you had a website like this already, this is one of the creators' website. She is managing it right now. So if we had a website like this, we'll do the integration part. Like she used to take three consultations. So suppose these are the three consultations she used to take. So if anybody clicks this book now button, it will took to the Excel page actually. So they can select the date and time of the availability. So like this, what are the date and time you need? You can able to select the date and time. Mhm. Okay, cool. Suppose if you had a sales page, right, we can put the offering like this. If you had a sales page, we can do the integration backend, or else you can able to create a sales page like this itself. Like so, this is the one set of pages there. If anybody clicks the register now button, it will come to Excel in backend. So they can enter their details. And this is right now it's in mobile view. You can have a glimpse like it's maybe in mobile view. So they can able to, yeah, yeah, yeah. For example, if anybody clicks this register now button, it will come to the backend in Excel. So like this, if you need a pop-up button, we can put the details like first three details are mandatory. After that, if you need to ask any question like post booking, pre booking, you can able to do it out right now here itself. If you need to collect with the payments also, we are providing with payment gateways as well. Like currently, we are working with Just Pay for payment gateway. For example, Just Pay it was used by Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, Airtel, Vodafone. Yeah. So basically, I'll tell you the thing. So basically, JustPay is a payment aggregator. Under that, five payment gateways are there. Like it was much better than RazorPay. I'll tell you the thing. You can take RazorPay, Paytm, PayU. All will come under JustPay only. It's right now it's 3%. IHF charges is 3%. Yeah. So you can see this was powered by Jasper. You can have a glimpse here. So I'll tell you the context why we are working with JustPay. It will redirect to the payment gateway which had good success ratio for an end user. Suppose you are selecting UPI and PhonePe in that. In your place, Razorpay had a good success ratio means it will redirect to Razorpay. Suppose I am selecting net banking or credit card. In my place, PayU had a good success ratio means it will redirect to Paytm or PayU. So that the success ratio is very much higher. Right now, the success ratio for Razorpay is 75 percentage. If you to go with InstaMojo, it's 80 percentage. If you go with JustPay, it's more than 90 percentage. So that is the major reason. It, it's instant. It's instant. In case if any if in case if any traffic has been happened, it will take maximum 1 or 2 hours to credit your bank account. So basically, here you people will be using our JustPay payment gateway. Just a KYC documents will be required, like know your customer, like verification will be there. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You will be using those things. Yeah, I'll show you the backend as well. Like, no. So you'll get a proper analysis, the proper flow, how much the revenue that you clocked and what the time it has been processed. Everything will be able to check it out in the backend itself. This was the thing. Sure, 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 sure. No, we are not providing. No, no, no. So basically, you need to give the hostings as well with us. Like, if you suppose I'll tell you the thing. Mhm. Yeah. So I'll tell you the thing. Suppose if you don't have a website, it will be coming in our exly domain. You can able to have a glimpse in a top thing like arogyayogashala.exlyapp.com. Yeah, then we can do the integration. I'll tell you things like suppose if you need to completely go in your domain, it will be like this. Like domain should be integrated. The website will manage it. We'll give training support plus team support will be given. So basically, the front end will be completely created by our team itself. If you are willing to do, you can able to do. Or else our team itself will be creating a backend and they'll be giving you the proper setup in a front end part. And for backend, they'll give. So basically, if you had a WordPress website, you do the integration. Or else we had a few set of templates. You can use those templates. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'll tell you the things how it used to do. Okay. Suppose I'll tell you things. I'm rehydrating once again. We had three options for the website part. First thing is that if you had your own WordPress website, or if you had your own Shopify website, you can able to do the integration part. Okay. Or else if you don't have a website, we'll be creating a website for you. Just a second. Okay. Mhm. Or we can you can go in that way also, or else we can go with the redirection also. Suppose this is the WordPress website. You can have I'll show you this is the WordPress website. So it was with WordPress. So if anybody clicks, we can able to do the CTA button clicks, click through action. If anybody clicks the book now, it will take to exly in backend. Not like a Calendly. Like this is the one source I can take. One more thing I can show you. Like mhm. I'll show you in the thing. Like so basically, I'll tell you things like, here. You don't need to use multiple tools. That was the thing we are bypassing right now. So here you don't need Pablo and Zapier to push it out in backend to take the data and shoot a message. We are bypassing those features. Actually. So suppose if anybody clicks this one, you able to collect the data. Like pop-up will come, they can enter the details. Details will be captured in the backend. And this is our backend. You can able to go in the dashboard. Backend is like I'll show you the one more things. First dashboard is like a proper summary page. You can able to see like how many people have visited the page. If I click a more, you will get a proper details like end to end, like it's loading. Like for which program, which location the people are coming, you can able to have proper glimpse. And same like that, you can able to have a glimpse for the everything like leads captured. If anybody spend more than 30 minutes, 20 minutes in the page, there will be highest high lead, hot lead. You can do that. You can do that. I'll show you the things one by one. And these are all the offerings you can able to create and you can able to manage in the backend. Like you can sell your workshops, classes, consultations, subscript and recorded contents, flexible class like a live class where some days you may take the sessions at morning time, some days you may take sessions at evening times, based upon the things will be happen. You can sell your merchandise as well. Like for that we are integrated with Ship Rocket. You can host your webinars, communities, everything. And the best thing is that you can collect the payments in any of the offerings in subscription basis as well. So this was the thing. Like so, and next thing is like you can here you don't need to use any for email bulk. We have two three options. Like for example, two things as there. One is like a broadcast message. Second thing is like drip campaign. Drip is nothing but where you can able to set a drip. I think you know the yeah. So like yeah. So like what the trigger you need to set it out. Like suppose if anybody payment has been failed for the particular offering, right? So that automatically you can able to set the things like it's like completely however the trigger unit you can able to keep the triggers and you can put the sequence of mails. Like a bulk message it used to go and you can personalize the mails as well. Mhm. Okay. Okay. We can do that. That's what I'm showing you right now. Mhm. We can do it out. Like you can keep for one email you can keep two three triggers as well. Suppose first trigger I have kept is that if anybody initiated offering, right, the trigger will shoot out. Okay, this is the one thing. Second thing, one more drop I'm setting it out. Like again, one more thing. Like suppose one more suppose payment is failed. Again. Yeah. So like how many? Suppose, so it's not like a payment fail. Like it's a drip flow for emails. Like however you need, you can put the triggers actually. I have kept two triggers. Like one is that if he initiated the offering, he'll get a drip. Second thing is in case if he failed to do the payment, he'll get a drip. So I've set it here. You can put it. You can keep a number of sequence and mails. That's what it's like a payment failure. Like it's a payment failure, right? He came, he selected, again he went out, right? He didn't make a purchase. You can keep that. You can set the drip. If it's like an automation thing. Like after a day, 2 3 days. If suppose I need to keep 3 days, you need to put a time. And if you need to put any conditions, like we can do the things. We can do this. That's what I'm showing. We had two options in the email. That's what, yeah, that's what we are bypassing here. Like for right now, I'll tell you the flow. You will take the data from Pabli and you will put it in some other ConvertKit or in Mailchimp and you will be shooting it right now, right? Yeah, but here we are bypassing it out. Like details will be here itself. You can select the broadcast and you can select the lead database. Like I'll show you how it will be there. Like suppose I'm selecting the like what are the lead database already the filters will be there. You can select it right now and then you can put the personalized mails as well, like the customer first name, last name, entire thing can able to do it up from here itself. So this is the thing we can able to do it. Same thing I'll tell you. So what are the emails that you have done, right? Same thing it will be happen in the WhatsApp as well. WhatsApp we had two things. Like one is like I'll tell you. So we had two options in the WhatsApp. One is like if you don't if you are okay to go with shoot a message in our exly number, we can able to do it out in the backend. Or else you need to purchase our ASNC account and need to be integrated from exly. Then you can able to shoot it from your end as well. You need to purchase the ASNC account and you need to contact exly. We have proper. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll tell you the things. Like, yeah, let me complete it out. After that, you can ask me it out. I'll tell you how the flow will be there. We had two options in this. One is that if you need to shoot from your end user point of view, the number, you need to have a number with you, like a WhatsApp verified Meta account. You need to have. Again, you need to have a Pabli account from your end. Next, the third thing is that you need to have your own ASNC account. and it will be integrated in backend. If you don't have, Excel will be purchasing for you and will be giving you. No. Yeah, so I'll tell you things. So basically, only for WhatsApp right now we are working with Pably, or else you don't need Pably to work with Exly actually. So that also in your own white label number if you need. If you're okay to shoot the messages from our Exly number itself, it's completely fine. You can select the templates, what are the templates you need, and you can able to select it out. And you can add up what are this like you can add up buttons like documents. If you need a CTA buttons, you can able to have a CTA buttons here, like a videos, images, whatever it may be, and you can select the lead database and you can shoot a broadcast message. Okay. So right now we are powered with only ASNC for the white labeled one because right now because they are the best in the market and the quality is very much good. So right now we are working only with ASNC. Previously we were working with Vati and we found that it's ASNC is better than Vati, so that we switched it to ASNC completely. Okay. So these are the things. Again, you can put your own limited time offerings. You can go with our SEOs. Like you don't need to separately do manage SEOs, but this will only work for the offering page and the websites created in Excel, not in the WordPress one. You can do it. I'll show you things. I'll show you things how it will be there. Suppose this is the offering I had, right? So that if I'm sharing this one, you will get a copy link for this offering page. This is the checkout page. You can able to take it out. This is the checkout page. You can able to take it out. So if anybody buys this one, right? So I'm selecting this one. So I can enter my details, everything. This is the checkout page. Uh, the background colors which is customizable. You click a buy now button. I can go, or else I can add to cart, and then you can go like I can add to the cart, and then if you need to have any upselling, cross-selling unit, you can add it again. So this can be possible here. And if you need to change the names like buy now, book now, if you need to change the names, that also can be changed, able to do it out. And all the offerings will be managed here itself. And the one more thing advantage what we had is that which are if you're selling any recorded contents or whatever the offering, you can go for managed booking and you can able to see like which offering, how many people have came. First thing is you can select it well, and then you can yeah, we had an LMS like both learning management system, lead management system, both we had actually. Like it, here from here also can able to shoot bulk message through WhatsApp and email. This we had, and you had a proper data like how many new people have came, like totally how many people came, new customers came, any upsells or cross sells has been happened. You can able to view it from the each and every offering series itself. And for LMS, suppose if I go to the manage booking, right? So if I go to the manage offering, right, so that I can go to the proper course analytics and then you can see like how many people have joined, how many people have completed end to end. You can able to see the complete things. Like suppose if I need to see the responses, right, like any responses they have. If you gave any assessments or test, you can able to see the responses as well here itself. Like properly, you can have a details. So like if they have submitted any assessments with the documents, they can upload the documents as well. You can have a proper view here itself. So end to end, like as I said, right, so these are all the offerings you can able to create. You can create a workshop, classes, consultations, courses. You can sell your own. Yeah, please. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll tell you here you can go with the Google Analytics things. Like you can create your own Google Analytics thing and you can put your own tracking page here and you can view it out like how many people have joined. You can track it from your own. Okay. So I'll tell you the workflow tool how it is to go. So right now these are all the integrations can be possible right now. Like you can integrate your Pixel account here itself. You can integrate your analytics account. Okay. It will automatically redirect. You will get the complete. That's what I'm saying. Track ad performance. automatically it will track it out. Sure, sure, sure. Or else you can stop sharing and you can sharing your website once again. Yeah, you can share it from your end. Like I was telling to say something. Right? So, no, I am unable to see the websites. Like I am unable to see. Is it visible now? Okay. So I'll tell you things like so basically I'll tell you the context. I'll tell you the why you need to come with exly. So basically that's what I'm coming to say. You will be using multiples of tools actually. So you will be paying multiples of subscription for each and every tool. You will start, repeat again what you're coming to say. Wait, wait. So I'll open both web two, three websites. I'll open it out and you can have a glimpse. Both earphones website you're telling. This domain is correct. Okay. Okay. I think it's Shopify. Okay. Okay. Uh, so you are asking how the integration will be happening here. Mhm. I think I need to install it. No, wait, wait. It's there. It's there. Yeah. Yeah. I've done it. Let's click that out. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. 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 Okay. So basically here, okay, I'll tell you. Suppose if it's integrated in the backend, like I need to check with the thing like for offering page whether it's happen or not. Like, understood. But you will get a proper thing like from our end. Everything is stay here, same thing. I'm selecting the link. It's not like an own CMS you can take. Like, same thing you can able to have games like it's added to cart. Again, the page is there. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm coming to say. Like backend, like if you don't need an exly domain, it will be removed in a backend. It will be managed by exly only. Like same thing will be happen here. See, I'll show you things here. Right now, the completely exly domain is removed. Own domain is integrated with the hosting there or GoDaddy it may be. So that it will be. I'm going to the same thing, selecting the thing. I'm initiating it. I'm initiating it. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. See, I'll tell you things. This offerings will be completely on. See, I'll tell you. The offerings will be completely tracked on Excel only. Then only the payment gateway will work. Then only the automation used to work. Then only the backend integration also used to work. And you will get the details as well. Mhm. See, this was already integrated. Like in a backend, it will get the things like you can track a data like a page view, checkout, initiate, everything can able to do it out. Now, in your Metaplex. Okay. Okay, you had. Okay. Okay, you have integrated. Okay. See, I'll tell you. Offerings will be tracked in a backend. I'll tell you things like right now you need to track a data like all the events. It will automatically track it out. It will automatically get it there. I think see once it's done with integration, you can open your Metapixel account. There you can check it out everything. Automatically the data will be going there. Mhm. Okay. So I need to check the exactly like currently as I said, currently 6,500 people are working. I don't know where the people are going. Hmm. See, it's tracked. Okay, sure. We can be able to do basically this process will be automatically done actually. You don't need to do tracking out the things actually. Sure, sure, sure. And one more thing, reasons also. See, basically we are bypassing few tools to save your time. So you, because people are using multiple times. Like suppose the lead is captured, you will know the complete reason, like whether they are what source, what the reason, everything can able to have the complete details here itself. That is the one thing we are solving it out right now. Because I'll tell you things because you will be using six, seven, eight types of tools and you will be paying subscription for six, seven, eight types of tools. The major issue is the time and the money. So again, tracking also the same thing. Data exporting and importing. These are the three issues Excel is solving right now. So I hope you have got an idea. Sure, sure, sure. I'll do it out. Like any doubts you had apart from the metapixel, if you had any doubts, I'll be helping it out. Like okay, these are things. And suppose I need to have a one-to-one call with you, right? So I can select a date and time. I can make a payment. Post the payment, I'll get the triggered reminders, invoices, and updates through WhatsApp, SMS, and email. This is the automation we had. Second thing is that automatically session links will be generated through Google Meet or Zoom. So these were the, so basically, if you are completely shooting the bulk messages through what exly number right through WhatsApp, you don't need a Pabbly and Zapier right now. This is the first thing you're solving right now. So and if you don't have a website, we'll be helping to create a drag and drop templates we had. Like using this, you can able to create your own websites within 10-15 minutes itself. So for that, you don't need a WordPress as well. This is the third thing you're solving right now. It's like end to end can be manageable here itself. Like a proper, it's like a how the Shopify website is to build right to drag and drop. Same thing you can able to do it up from here itself. End to end, you can able to add and we have to set up templates. No, I understood. Give me half an hour time. You'll get a proper pricing details through email. You can able to check it out from my end. Sure. Give me a call back to my WhatsApp number so we can able to check it out around 2 or 2:30. Thank you.